This video is about Google Slides on mobile. Hello and welcome to Infinite Learnopedia channel, and let's get started with the video. Open Play Store application to download Google Slides on mobile. In the search, type Google Slides. Download this application. Click on Install option to install the Google Slides. I have already installed Google Slides on my mobile. It will take few minutes to download. After downloading Google Slides, open Google Slide. This is Google Slides. Towards the right topmost corner is the account icon. You can see a flower there. Through the flower icon, you can switch between different accounts. You can also add another account. To the left topmost corner, there are some options like recent, shared with me, starred, offline, trash and others. Here I have no files. To the right bottom, click on plus sign to choose template or to choose new presentation. First, let's choose template. So in templates, there are different options such as education, work, personal. If you want to work with this topic, select from this topics. If you want new presentation, click on new presentation option. So this is the screen when you click on the new presentation option. By default, there is one slide available. To add more slide, to the right bottom, click on the plus sign. There are various options available. For example, title slide, section header, title and body, title and 2 columns, scroll down and others. Choose options you want. So these are options same as in Microsoft PowerPoint. For example, here I will choose blank. So this is the first default slide and this is the second I have added now. Let's open the first slide. This is the first slide. Double tap to add title. Okay, my title is computers. I will make it computers. And subtitle output devices. To the left top corner, click tick sign to save the changes you are making. On the top, there are options undo and redo. Next, you can apply formatting options to your text, such as bold, underline. You can apply color to the text. 3 options are available in text color. First is basic, second is theme, and third is custom. Choose color. To save, click on the tick sign. Next is highlight color. Click on tick sign to save the changes. Alignment. First is left alignment, center, right, and justify alignment. Next, bullets, and numbering is also available. Page indent, left indent, and right indent. Click on the plus sign. There are options to insert. First, you can insert comment. Second, you can insert text. Next, you can add image. There are two options. Number one, from photos. Number two, from cameras. You can add images. Next is shape. Into shapes, number one is basic. Number two, arrows. Three, flowcharts. So these are the shapes which are required in flowcharts and others. Add shape. When you add shape, you can color the shape. Fill color is available into fill color, basic, theme, and custom. Border color, border style. Into border style, first is border weight, border dash. So these are the number of options into border dash. Tick to save. Next is drop shadow, apply drop shadow. Color. And the last one is reflection. Apply reflection. And size. Next option is line. Into line, you can add basic line, elbow connector, and curved connector. Over here, I will add one more slide. That is blank slide. Into blank slide, I will add one line, a basic line. You can move the line, apply color to the line. Next, to add table, click on table. Select number of rows and columns to add. Click insert table to add the table. Click on a particular cell to add data. Select a cell and add data. First is roll number. Second goes in is name. Then address. Then add entry. Add data. Name. Address. Into the second record, roll number, name, and address. Save your work in Google Slides as you save in Microsoft PowerPoint. So Google Slides is same as Microsoft PowerPoint application. So these are the 3 slides I prepared. In this way you can prepare presentation on various topics like social media, on computers, on festivals, Republic Day and others. To start presentation, besides undo redo option, click on the option. Into this, first option is present on this device, second present to a meeting, third present to scheduled meetings. For now I will choose present on this device. So this is the first slide, then second and third. Click on back option to stop presentation. Next option beside slideshow is share option, through which you can share access of your presentation with people or groups. To the right topmost corner, the 3 dots. When you click on the 3 dots, there are options Q&A, history, change theme, view guides. You can share and export this. You can make this available offline. You can star this and other options are available. You can go back into your main slide sheets application. Here you can give name to your file. To give name, rename option is available. Type name and click on rename. Into the 3 dots, there are more operations you can perform, like you can share, manage people and links. You can copy link of this PPT, send a copy, make a copy, you can download it. You can move, print and delete this PPT. So these are the various options available. That's all for this video. I hope from this video you definitely learned how to use Google Slides application. If you are new to my channel, do not forget to hit the red subscribe button, like this video, share with your friends and let me know your comments in the comment box below. Keep watching my videos. Thank you and have a wonderful day.